Hiboy EX6. I know nothing about this, but we're gonna open it up and we're gonna find out. You ready? Let's get it. So inside of the package, get your little accessory box. Pretty nice display, your user manual, headlight, wrenches and Allen keys, your axle, you're gonna need that for your front wheel. So we have a 2-amp charger. For the battery, that's 15 amps. So roughly 7 to 8 hours to fully charge, 720 watt-hour battery. Do have little finger locks on the top so you can take it out, hold it. And to see how much capacity it is, you press that power button, and you'll see it light up and show you how much power it actually has. Pedals. That's it. It's actually got a twist throttle. Huh. I know people love that. Make sure that when you put your battery back on, you do line it up with that track. That's a pretty nice seat. That's it. Rocking and rolling. All right, here we go. Let's test the speed. We are on pedal assist 1. Obviously, that's just going to be for pedaling. Let's max out those gears. On pedal assist 1, you can kind of feel it. More of a cadence than it is torque. And then 2, 3, 4. And then that's it. That's all throttle at that point. Nothing past 15 miles per hour. Let's check the speed. Let's see how fast we can get it. 5 miles already. Wow. I am pushing against the wind here, so just keep that in mind. A little chilly too. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's go with the wind. A little mushy there. Here we go. Let's try this. There we go. Much better.
Yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man, it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard till you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gasping, they cannot compare, they can't match me. I'm at half speed, I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me, smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live, I'm cold inside, gave all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive, one day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man, now I'm teaching the game, a veteran better than Anybody else who tests me, I'm ready. Looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year. I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget. From nothing to something, I ain't bluffing. I got a full hand and a full plan. I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to pop, started from the bottom, yeah. I wanna live, I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life.
Hiboy EX6. I feel like I'm saying hello to a boy. Hey boy, EX6, 7-speed Shimano Tourney shifter. So right off the jump, I could tell you, look, $999, you're getting what you pay for. The half twist throttle on this, and I say half twist because that's what it is. It's not a full throttle, but no e-bikes have this. Like motorcycle, why is that? Is there a reason that we do half twist? I've genuinely looked and I couldn't find anything. So the half twist throttle on this isn't bad. Just because you feel it, it's actually fatter than the base section. So where the twist is versus where it meets, you have that butterfly to rest your hand on, but this does not get in the way like it did on that other bike. Your battery is not putting out super amount of power, 15 amp load, and a 2 amp charger, 500 watt rear motor, $999, mechanical brakes. Do I think it should have a hydraulic? Honestly, not for $1,000. I've seen bikes that have it that are in the 1100, 1200. This isn't bad, man. You get a cargo rack, again, for those that like eggs or putting maybe a baby seat or a car seat on here, something to where you can haul that. This is gonna be designed for not just the city commuter. Like, it actually goes pretty fast, 25 miles per hour. I've had more expensive bikes that my fat at. I wonder how fast I went. What do you think? You probably saw it already. Well, I think I went. Let's see how good I am. It said 22. When my lady friend got on it, she said she got 24. I just find it interesting that only 12 pounds of difference really, you know, like you're gonna gain 2 extra miles per hour. Come on now. Oh, fuck out of here. You know what's really super interesting about this is to turn this on, you actually have to use the keys. That is the only one that I've ever done a review on. I said, I don't know what I'm talking about. Just push the key in and spin it, and eventually it'll turn on, and then take it out. But once you turn it on, the key doesn't come out. It's on or off. And it's also used to take the battery off. So it's like, that is the anti-theft. Let me put this out there though. If you're worried about somebody stealing your bike, don't rely on the keys, because all you have to do is just pedal it. Really good cushion. It's actually a very, very comfortable seat. Hardtail, not soft. So just keep that in mind. No suspension. Again, I can't push this enough. For $1,000, are you expecting rear suspension? I wouldn't. The front suspension, I honestly feel like they could have done without, just because with the front suspension, it is bottoming it out and there is no way to turn it on or off. It's on. That's it. And I'm a little bit on the heavier side, so when I go into a bump, I go into a bump. I try to let loose my hands a little bit. Not a good idea. Don't try that because you're gonna fall. Here is your horn. Love it. They all sound the same. Just like Road Runner. Beep, 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 beep. Wait, hold on. That's what I'm talking about. What do you know about that? Brake light in the back. Headlight in the front. Easy. Front fender is a little quirky. I could have adjusted that a little bit better. I don't know what people's infatuation with fenders are. Are you really mud bogging? Are you? And you know, when Bree was about to ride this, you know what I thought of? I know you're gonna be like, Jay, you don't know what you're talking about. Shut up. Yes, I do. Okay, because I served in the military. This bike, for whatever reason, reminds me of the military. Does anybody else get that? It's like, I don't know. And that's not what they're pushing, like, at all. But my mom was like, black, fat tires, why? Like something, I don't know, World War II-esque, Vietnam, Korean War, pick a war, and this would be something that they would use to pick up like the 6 MREs. And no, somebody's got to get it. Okay, let's talk about the display, shall we? So to turn this on, we're gonna hold down the power button. Pretty nice display, easy to read. If you press the power button again, you have the odometer, the trip, the volume of the battery, and that is the time that you've been using it. Back to odometer. So your pedal assist is 0, and then you can go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we go back down, top speed of 1. You can see that that has no effect with full throttle, 25 miles per hour. It is super comfortable. It's not my style of bike. This is something like for the lady friends. And again, at 6'1", you see what I look like on it. So this is me at 6'1" with the seat all the way in the down position. And then this is somebody 5 foot in the seat in the down position. Here comes Breast Tits McGee. Is it comfortable?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I can't touch the ground, but the way that the pedals are with the seat is good.
And once you get going, it's no big deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like when I go to the side to get, like I can't touch right now.
Yeah, but then you just lean. Very good. Okay. One last thing that I recommend you to do is check the link in the description. That is always updated as to what I'm going to be doing a review on next. And then you could see all the specs, the stats, the price, the links to the video. But what you will not find will be a range test. And the reason why there's no range test, I know people keep asking what's the range, what's the range? You saw my speed. You saw her speed. Those minuscule factors of 9-pound difference between me and her, that will dictate how much battery it's going to take. The wind, uphill, downhill.